Peeling a mango has never been this easy. How many times have you struggled to peel a mango only to end up with sticky hands, juice running everywhere, and so much fruit wasted because it clings tightly to the skin? The truth is, peeling a mango isn't hard at all. With just a few simple tricks that I'll be sharing in today's video, it can be done in just seconds. No sticky mess, no wasted fruit, and looking just as perfect as the ones you see in stores. Stay with me until the end of the video, because I will also share a mouth-watering mango dessert recipe that's guaranteed to impress. Method 1. Using a plastic bottle cap. One very interesting and easy tip for peeling a mango is to make use of a familiar plastic bottle cap. Instead of struggling with a knife or peeling by hand, which easily leaves juice everywhere, I just take a clean bottle cap. First, I use the edge of the cap to press against the mango peel. Then I scrape evenly around the entire surface of the peel. I only scrape slowly with gentle pressure, not too hard to avoid bruising or tearing the peel. As the edge of the cap scrapes along, it softens the outer skin and at the same time creates tiny openings between the flesh and the peel. What makes it more fun is that this action feels like squeezing the mango, a folk habit believed to make the mango taste sweeter. After finishing scraping all the way around, I only need to peel the skin off with my hands. The peel comes off easily without needing much force, and there is no worry about breaking a nail. So with just one simple action, the mango stays sweet and fragrant while the golden flesh remains intact with no waste at all. This method is especially helpful for anyone who often has manicured nails and wants to avoid scratches when peeling, or simply for saving time while still keeping the mango looking beautiful. In just a few seconds, the peel is gone, hands stay clean, and the fresh flavor of the fruit can be enjoyed fully. Method 2. Using bamboo skewers. Besides the usual ways of peeling, there is a very convenient variation using bamboo skewers, the type specially used for eating fruit. First, peel off the outer skin, then cut the mango into 2 halves, lengthwise along the pit. Place the flesh side down on the cutting board, then insert bamboo skewers evenly across the surface, keeping about 1 to 1.5 inches between each. This method is particularly suitable when preparing mango for a party or a dessert. The bamboo skewers not only hold the mango in place, but also shape it into neat bite-sized pieces. Next, take a knife and slice lengthwise along the rows of bamboo skewers, then cut across in the opposite direction. In just a few simple moves, the mango flesh is divided into neat, beautiful square-shaped cubes. When it's time to eat, simply pick up each cube by the bamboo skewers, lift it, and enjoy no sticky hands, no struggling with the peel. The biggest advantage of this method is its convenience and cleanliness. Each piece of mango keeps its shape golden and sweet as honey. It's not only a tidy way to eat, but also makes for a lovely presentation, perfect for serving at a party, as a dessert for family meals, or as a treat for friends. A simple variation, yet it makes enjoying mango so much more refined and appealing. Method 3. Using a glass. Another trick that is both convenient and elegant is using a glass, especially if there's a thin, lightweight wine glass with a smooth rim on hand. It makes the process much easier. First, choose a mango that's just ripe. Then cut it in half lengthwise along the seed to keep the 2 halves of golden flesh. Next, hold 1 half of the mango firmly in the palm of your hand and place the rim of the glass right against the flesh at the circle of either the top or bottom of the mango piece. Then gently push the rim of the glass to glide along the curve between the flesh and the peel, moving upward. Thanks to the thin and smooth glass edge, the mango flesh will separate neatly, sliding into the inside of the glass with almost no waste. When pouring the mango out of the glass, you will see plump, intact, juicy pieces that look very appealing. This method is not only quick and clean, but also helps keep the full flavor and natural shape of the mango. It can be eaten right away, mixed into a salad, blended into a smoothie, or arranged beautifully on a party table. With just an ordinary glass, the messy task of peeling mango, usually sticky and wasteful, turns into a neat and enjoyable experience, both tidy and attractive. Method 4. Peeling a mango by scoring down the middle. One of the simplest yet very effective tricks to separate a mango from the seed is with nothing more than a small sharp knife. First, choose a mango that is just ripe, not too soft, so the flesh won't get crushed while handling. Then use a knife to score a circular cut around the middle of the fruit, keeping close to the pit in the center. This cut will help separate the mango into two parts. After scoring, gently twist the mango with both hands in opposite directions. With even pressure, the mango flesh will loosen from the pit, forming two plump halves. At this point, the flesh can easily be taken out to eat directly or used for preparing dishes. For the other half with the seed, continue with the knife, carefully trimming around the pit. Slide the blade close against it so the seed separates cleanly. Finally, just pull it out with your hand, and you'll have two halves without the seed attached. With only a few skillful moves, all the flesh is separated with almost no waste. This method is not only quick and tidy, but also keeps the mango pieces whole and sweet. By cutting this way, a spoon can be used to scoop out each piece inside without worrying about sticky juice on the hands, making it easy to enjoy the fresh flavor directly. So now there are 4 convenient ways to peel a mango: using a plastic bottle cap, to soften the peel using bamboo skewers for easy serving, using a thin glass to scoop out the flesh neatly, and finally scoring and gently twisting to separate the mango from its pit. Each trick keeps the golden flesh intact, avoids messy hands, prevents waste, and works in no time. Which way do you usually choose when peeling mangoes? Please leave a comment so I will know. And don't leave the screen yet, because right after this, I will reveal to you a super surprising recipe from these very golden mango pieces, that is the mango milk jelly. If you are looking for a dessert that is both easy to make and delicious to taste and extremely refreshing for summer days, then mango milk jelly is truly the ideal choice. It may sound a bit elaborate, but actually the way to make it is extremely simple. With just a few familiar ingredients from your kitchen, you will already have a wonderful cooling treat for the whole family. First, prepare 2 ripe yellow mangoes. Choose the type of mango that is sweet with thick flesh and little fiber. You peel off the mango skin, then cut the flesh into small to medium-sized pieces. And then put them into the blender. Add about 200 ml of water, then start to blend until smooth. Mango is not only delicious, but also rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and fiber, helping to strengthen immunity, beautify the skin, and support digestion. When the mixture is already smooth, you pour it through a sieve to filter out the fiber, keeping only the mango juice. The mango juice obtained is golden bright and tasty with the distinctive mango flavor. Next, proceed to mix the dry ingredients. You prepare about 3 g of jelly powder or agar with 15 g of sugar into a clean and dry bowl. Please prepare 2 bowls like this to cook for 2 flavors. After that, prepare a pot. Put all the mango juice from earlier into the pot to cook on low heat. Then add in the dry powder mixture that you just mixed earlier. One note is that jelly powder very easily clumps, so remember that when adding it, you must stir quickly to avoid the jelly powder being clumped. After adding in the dry powder mixture, you just gently stir continuously until it reaches a gentle boil, then turn off the stove. However, at this time the jelly sets very quickly, so please keep it on the stove and set it to keep warm mode. And just like that, you already have the fragrant, beautiful mango jelly mixture. Next, you prepare another pot and put into it about 300 ml of fresh milk. You can choose the unsweetened type or the low sugar type, because when combined with mango, it already has the naturally light sweetness of mango, which is very harmonious. After that, add in the dry jelly powder mixture from earlier. Do not forget to stir evenly so that the jelly does not get clumped. Continue to cook the mixture until it gently boils. Then you can turn off the stove and keep it in keep warm mode. Keeping warm helps the jelly mixture not set while waiting. Next, prepare clean molds or glass containers and pour the jelly into them. The method is that you first pour 1 layer of mango jelly onto the surface of the mold. Then wait about 30 seconds to 1 minute for the jelly surface to set. And then pour 1 layer of milk jelly on top. Keep doing it like that until it is all finished. You will see the 2 layers of jelly interlacing with each other very beautifully. At this time, put the jelly into the refrigerator compartment to chill for 4 to 5 hours for the jelly to completely set. Then you can fully enjoy the flavor. When taking it out, you will see the smooth white jelly pieces of milk alternating with the golden sparkling color of mango, looking extremely beautiful. You can cut it to eat directly or combine it with yogurt to increase the flavor of this dish. When eating, the jelly has the sweet, fragrant taste of mango combined with the rich, creamy taste of milk to create a mango milk jelly flavor that is very appetizing, ensuring that anyone who eats it will love it. This dish is not only delicious, but also nutritious, very suitable to make as a dessert, a snack, or to treat guests on hot days. So in today's video, I have shared with you 4 extremely convenient tips for peeling mangoes, from using a plastic bottle cap to scrape the peel using a thin spoon to separate the flesh scooping with a glass, to the trick of gently twisting to separate the seed. All of them quick, clean, and keeping the golden flesh intact. Not stopping there, we also turned those ripe, juicy mango pieces into a refreshing mango milk jelly, both beautiful and nutritious, perfectly suitable for the whole family on hot summer days. If you find these tips useful, don't forget to leave a comment sharing the way of peeling mangoes you like best or your feelings when trying the mango milk jelly. Hit like, share this video with your friends, and remember to follow the channel so you won't miss many other interesting tips and delicious recipes that I will reveal in the upcoming videos. See you again in the next video.